Ban pensong thu ya kijing don kam kumno banle ladawan ujumai bat kiwe kijing shakta hagabor marian ka district disaster management authority haringkat ka East Khasi Hills district Shillong hene ka singi lapalong ya kijing ai Jinghikai Lyngba ka drama da kisamla pule ya gani ka street show lapalong ha don Bosco Square la jom khra par ha khandai lan muda kisamla pule ka school ba ka Martin Luther University haringkat kita khot jong ka AAPDA mitra Lapan ipat ba kumno banle ladawan ling shop ujumai. Pat kumju ban ay jingerap ya ki baminsaw. Kisamla puli kila samru ya ki kot ling kedop sya ki pat ba. Kababatay halor kumno banle pat banom le lada pom perthat pat habat haba leile.
Quick awareness and first aid response. Imagine. It's a beautiful morning in Shillong, the city of clouds and quiet hills. The air smells of pine, laughter filling the parks. No worries. No one is worried because when life feels peaceful, danger feels impossible.
Hey, peaceful no hai ba pilit ka ni ka training jong abta mitra. Ni nga da am snodon jing mantoy era kam dan jing madira tang khandiat ru. Ha kan shilo tang ka par balik training am idan jing mantoy khandiat ru. Ni mo ki ai training na benta kini ki earthquake ni hangni hari jongi tang am pachu semte bakandon kum kita bakanja kum kita ta ken la katus nam sa shlong judan kum kita man ong ban ki jumai an slay ni pila judan em pi nga tang am snow pi kum ta em pi nga tang ong kaneka jing ai training ingi kum nga try kali ka babhat ni nama yamla aban ong batang ba RiKhasi jingi kam jujia yamla aban ong bakam kanom dan gani pul pakan natural disaster tadang yo ni ka training bagin ai jerap na banta ki we kadayan ni ngate ngam nget ri la byang shwa ni ngam kwa re benget
kunta hiken ki bre mata ki perkhat to ngira de ban hi hap prepare lupa em yo kada ka jingjia kumno pan te tadang im prepare pat kunta ken nong hi hap prepare lupa ken ki ay ni ka training na mabangin dan kata ka jing prepare te yo ka jia no
kadai hi ba ong ba pen chai mo to chal ni le training no
Sudden loud rumbling, lights flickering, people panicking. Everyone drop, cover, and hold on. The crouching, tumbling continues, crashing sounds scream. In a heartbeat, our laughter turned to screams. The ground shook with fury. Building cracked open like paper. People ran, cried, prayed. Chaos swallowed the city, and then silence. The heavy silence fills with dust and pain. Rumbling fades. The rescuer rises slowly, coughing from blood and checking the victims all around them. You check for breathing, listening or feel, and tap the person's shoulder. Next, you call a friend in need and ask him to call an ambulance. Here is how the CPR for adult works. Place the heel. Clear out the airways from the person's mouth in case choking whilst performing the CPR. Look, listen, feel. This is the 3LLF method which we use during CPR. Check for the pulse. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 1. While giving the mouth-to-mouth respiration, make sure to cover the person's mouth with a cloth or handkerchief.